Hello everyone and welcome to this MusicGPT tutorial for beginners. If you'd like to generate AI music, MusicGPT is a great place to try this out. Of course, this is the MusicGPT website and you can see it's similar to some of the service platforms we have out there. You can click on Get Music for free, then continue with your Google to get in. So once you're in for the first time, you can see that you'll be getting 500 free credits for your account. And then of course you might have the pop-up in order to unlock the Plus, the Pro, and the Ultra. And of course, if you'd like to try this out before going or committing to a plan, that's up to you. We'll be clicking away. And what do you need to do if you want to use MusicGPT? Well, we're on and we have our account and this is the dashboard. You could use it to create music and this is what we want to do. So if you click on Create Music, it's going to take you back to the top because this is exactly where you want to be if you'd like to generate AI music. It's as simple as simply writing a prompt of the type of sound you want. If you have a sound you'd like to attach, you can go over here and click an attach file. If you'd like to have some more controls, of course, you could decide to write the title of the song, the prompt intensity, and the lyrics intensity. Of course, this is for the Pro plan, so you need to take note of that. If you want just the instrumental, you could do that. But if you don't and you want a sound with a voice, you could have this unclicked. Then of course, if you have your lyrics, go ahead and click on plus lyrics and then put in your lyrics. So basically you want a full description of what type of sound you want. So basically you want a description of the type of music you want right here. And then down here, because we selected add lyrics, you'll be putting your lyrics. Verse 1, chorus, bridge, etc. Then of course you have your tools right here, and most of the tools right here are for the paid plans, either the Plus or the Pro. Of course you have create anything, so that's where we are, and once you provide some details, you'll be getting something MusicGPT can work with. So here we have a prompt, a simple prompt in this case, a carnival song with Afrobeat vibe. So we're going to go ahead and say generate. Of course we set lyrics, but we're not adding any lyrics, this is just for you to know, and we're waiting for the audio. You might have also noticed that it's taken 100 credits, and so we have 400 credits left. So we have two options right here. We're going to go ahead and listen to the first. Great, so let's listen to the next one. So you can see that there are two party sounding songs based on what we described it for a carnival song, and of course you could give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down for version 1 or version 2, and if you click on the three dots there, you can download it, you could copy it, or you could delete it. It's pretty much up to you. So basically this is how to create or generate AI music using MusicGPT.